And now, ladies and gentlemen, Liberace.
This is my friend, Scott Thorson.
You were incredible out there.
Well, this must be fate. I have a great idea. Why don't you come work for me?
As what?
I want to be everything to you, Scott. I want to be father, brother, lover, best friend.
I'll do whatever you want.
I want you to make Scott look like this. You will make me feel so young.
Why would a grown man want to adopt another grown man?
So we can be family.
All I do is give and give and give.
I can't live like this.
You're being paranoid, Scott. Are you stoned?
I'm not. I'm upset. Don't change the subject.
I don't even have my own face!
No one has ever been closer to me than this young man.